This week we have a giveaway from Filatura di Croce for shawl kits for the shawl that I'm wearing right now. It's called the Skylar Shawl, and it is knit on the bias. This shawl debuted at TNNA recently, the TNNA conference. Made a big hit there. Everyone was really excited about it. So for such a new pattern that everyone's so excited about, I'm excited that we get to do a giveaway on it here on the VeryPink Knits channel. So I want to show you everything you get and tell you about it. Well, let me show you the scarf first. I wanted to wear it, but I want to show it to you also. So it's knit on the bias with these gorgeous yarns, and it has this yarn over lace between the colors. And it's kind of a parallelogram shape, a rectangle pretty much. Okay, it's really pretty. And it is gorgeous and soft, and I'll tell you why it's gorgeous and soft, because it uses two different kinds of yarn that are held together when this is knit. The Filatura di Croce Superior yarn and Nirvana yarn, and their Superior yarn is 70% cashmere, 25% silk, and 5% extra fine merino, and the Nirvana is 100% extra fine merino. So it's like knitting with clouds, of course. It is so beautiful and soft. So I want to show you what comes with this kit. I have two of these kits to give away too. You get your little Filatura project bag and your pattern and your yarn, and you get 6 balls of yarn. And I think I actually have 2 different color kits for this. The colors I have to give away are different. And then you have some extra goodies that I'm not even going to show you. They're just extra little goodies in the bag from Filatura with their logo on them. But the exciting thing, of course, about this shawl is the pattern is so cool, and the yarn is cashmere, silk, and merino. Oh, please. I hope one of the winners doesn't claim their prize, because I know exactly what I'm knitting next. No. I'm kidding, I'll send it to the next person. Anyway, if you want to enter the contest here to win one of these 2 Skylar shawl kits, just click a little eye in the upper right-hand corner to be whisked to my website, and there will be more information on my website as well as in the rest of the video. Good luck!